In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a clutch or brake pedal pad on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the brake or clutch pedal. Let's get started. On the back of the pedal, we're going to grab the edge for the pad and peel it back. Pop it off. Install the new pedal pad. We're going to start on the bottom and push it up into place. Going around, getting the lip to seal all the way around the pedal. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.